The next part of the English history of the look at the freedom of expression and how it's evolved is from Cato. Before it was John Locke, now we're going to take a brief look at Cato. He said that the right to think what you would and speak what you thought was a barrier against government oppression and an essential element of natural liberty. In other words, your right to think what you want to, your right to speak what you think, helps to protect you against oppression from your own government, and it's an important part of your natural liberty. He said that our natural right to free speech was limited only by our obligation to respect the rights of others. So say what you want to, but keep in mind there are other people to be respected. For example, private defamation, he said, was wrong because it violated that individual's right to their reputation. But Cato had very strong reservations about the law of seditious libel, which punished true statements defamatory of the government. He said that the law of libel had to be confined or restrained if it was not to become an instrument of tyranny. So some people want to restrict this freedom so much that you cannot even publish things that are true because they're defamatory. But does that make sense? Certainly if something is a lie, that lie should be called out, but what if something's true? Why should that thing not be said or be published? Cato asserted that truthful accusations of public wrongdoing can never be a libel in the nature of things. If you call out truth, and it is true, not a lie you fabricated, if it is true, and it's public wrongdoing, it's about public wrongdoing, is it right for somebody else to say, that's libel, that's wrong, you can't speak this, you can't publish this? Should that freedom of expression be impinged upon if somebody doesn't like what you're saying because it's defamatory? Something to ponder. Next video will be a continuation of the English tradition, but moving on to William Blackstone.